your phone?
Attempting to connect to your phone. Please wait.
We'll wait.
No phone found. Would you like to add a phone now? After the beep, say add phone, replace phone, select phone, or no.
Add phone.
Add phone. The system is searching for your phone. Using your handset, look for a Bluetooth device called My Car. When requested by the handset, enter the PIN 1234. For further instructions, refer to your phone's user manual. iPhone 2 connected.
Okay.
Nice. See if it plays any music. It did it. You did so good.
Thanks.
That's the condenser. Let's see. Looks like the letter C. You'd think the Duke boys had this car, but it's teenage girls. Some just are hard on them. So I tested out today the clutch on the AC was not energizing when I self-tested the IPDM there. I did pin it out with the test light and it lit up. So we replaced the compressor. Now we're vacuuming down. I'm gonna charge it up and it holds the vacuum. So how you feel about your wheels?
Feel better about them now that they're out of the junkyard.
How you feel about this air conditioner compressor?
Better about it since it's done.
Yeah, that was hot yesterday.
That was bad.
97.
They're relieved out of getting out of the junkyard, getting in a hot car.
Right. 20 minutes, windows down.
We didn't give two shits that the trunk was open.
Didn't. And nobody told us because they didn't care either.
Nope.
Well, I'm proud of you for working so hard.
Got a good teacher.
Thanks.